Clone Styles is another useful AI tool for AI website design. I have built a very nice website using AI. Here it is. But let's say I've come across another website whose visual styling I really like, apple.com, for instance. All I have to do is copy the link to the Apple website, then go to Clone Styles, paste the link, and extract the styling from the apple.com website. After that, I can apply its styling to my existing website. So here, all the styles from apple.com have been successfully extracted by the Clone Styles tool. I can select the ones I want to apply and deselect the ones I don't want. But I like all the styles, so I'll keep everything selected. Then I'll come down here and click the Generate Prompt button. When I click this button, a prompt is automatically generated for me. So I'll copy the prompt and then go to my AI website builder. This works with any AI website builder at all. I'm using Lovable. I'll paste the prompt and then press Enter. So now the styling from apple.com has been successfully applied to my website. Let's compare it with the original. So this is the new version, and as you can see, the colors, typography, and a lot more have been updated. And this is the original site. You can see the background color and the other colors. If I refresh the page, we can clearly see the changes. Here it is. But hey, I've found another website whose visual styling I prefer even more than the current one. So I'll simply copy the link of the website, head over to Clone Styles, paste the link, and extract the styling from the website. All right, the styles have been extracted. So I'll generate the prompt, copy it, head over to my AI website builder, paste the prompt, and then apply it. Now the new styling has been applied. Let's go to the front end and see what it looks like. So this is what we have now. This is really nice. The background, the link colors, and some of the text colors have been changed. The typography has also been updated. So yes, that is how the Clone Styles tool works. It is a very powerful tool for anyone who builds websites with AI, and it works with any AI website builder. You can find more powerful AI web design tools here on aiwebsitepromptgenerator.com. Here are the other tools. Thank you for watching. Share this video with someone you believe will find it helpful. Also, like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.